Welcome back to the Daily Dose English. I'm Lisa, and today I'm so happy you're here with me. Today's episode is all about how to improve your English listening skills. Just relax, sit back, maybe grab a cup of coffee, and listen with me. No pressure, no stress, just English, gently flowing into your ears. Let's begin. When I first started learning a new language, listening felt scary. People spoke too fast. Words melted together. My brain tried to catch everything and ended up catching nothing. But here's something important I want you to remember today. You don't need to understand everything to be a good listener. Listening is not about catching every word. Listening is about getting used to the sound of English. So let's start there. One of my favorite habits is listening every single day. Not for hours, not until my brain hurts, just a little bit, every day. I listen while cooking. I listen while walking. I listen while cleaning the house. English becomes part of my daily life, just like music, just like background noise, just like a friendly voice around me. Some days I don't understand much, and that's okay. Some days I understand more than yesterday, and that feels amazing. Progress doesn't come in big jumps. It comes quietly, step by step. I love listening to voices I enjoy. Friendly voices, warm voices, voices that feel like a conversation, not a test. Podcasts, YouTube videos, short stories, simple conversations. When you enjoy the voice, you listen longer. When you listen longer, your ears get stronger. Sometimes I listen without subtitles. Sometimes I listen with subtitles. Sometimes I listen again. There is no right way. There is only your way. I often listen to the same audio many times. The first time, I just listen, no thinking, no translating. The second time, I notice familiar words. The third time, I hear full sentences. The fourth time, I smile and think, oh, I understand this now. Repetition is powerful. It's like training your ears at the gym. I also pay attention to intonation and rhythm. English has music. It goes up, it goes down, it pauses, it flows. I listen to how people sound when they are happy, when they are surprised, when they are calm. I don't copy perfectly, I just feel it. Sometimes I repeat quietly after the speaker, not loudly, not perfectly, just softly, naturally. This helps my ears and my mouth work together. Listening and speaking become friends, not strangers. I don't rush. I don't compare myself to others. I listen at my own speed. Fast English will slow down one day. Your ears just need time. Another thing I love doing is listening with a purpose. Sometimes I listen for keywords. Sometimes I listen for emotions. Sometimes I just enjoy the story. Each time, my brain learns something new. I remind myself, listening is a skill, not a talent. You don't need to be good at languages. You just need to listen again and again. There are days when I feel tired. On those days, I choose easy content, short videos, slow speakers, familiar topics, and that's enough. English doesn't need to be hard. It can be gentle, friendly, comforting. When I listen, I don't panic if I miss a word. I let it go. The next word will come. English keeps moving. So do I. I listen to real English, not perfect English, not textbook English. Real conversations, real pauses, real laughter. This helps my ears get ready for real life. Sometimes I close my eyes and just listen. No screen, no distraction, just sound. This helps me focus on pronunciation and clarity. I celebrate small wins, understanding one sentence, catching one phrase, recognizing one word. Every small win matters. I trust the process, even when progress feels invisible, even when English feels fast. Your brain is listening, your ears are learning, even when you don't notice. Listening is not about control, it's about exposure. The more English surrounds you, the more natural it becomes. I imagine English as a friend sitting next to me, talking, laughing, sharing stories, not testing me, not judging me, just being there. So today, I want you to promise me one thing, just one. Listen a little bit every day. That's all. You don't need perfection, you don't need pressure. You just need time, patience, and curiosity. Thank you for listening with me today. I'm really proud of you. Keep listening, keep enjoying English, and remember, you're doing better than you think. See you in the next episode of the Daily Dose English.